cneastacht, how are you? Mary Ellen here, and I'm so excited, or best as we'd say as chéile in Irish, to tell you about my next Celtic Wheel event at the Irish Cultural Centre. So as the days get a little bit brighter and a little bit longer, we're heading towards Imbolc in the Celtic calendar. And Imbolc in ancient Irish, Imbolc means in the belly. And so it's no surprise that in this Celtic Fire Festival we celebrate fertility and rebirth, but also creativity, because of course we could be pregnant with ideas and imbus, inspiration. On this Irish national holiday, let's come le chéile together to celebrate Goddess Bríg on Bridget's Day. So I really hope that you can join me on Sunday, February the 2nd at 11 a.m. in the Irish Cultural Centre. Bígí, join me as we rejoice in the start of spring with Goddess Bríg, who for millennia has been celebrated with fire and filíocht, poetry. There will be my usual chéile stories and sharing, as well as a manotra meditation, and of course the cupante, the cuppa afterwards, as we come le chéile together as a community in cneastacht, in kindness. I will guide you on a journey to access the protective force of Bríg, empowering you to center yourself in Síocháin, peace, hope and healing. So come join me to sync with the seasons and of course the source within. Gramor.